This is a very exciting day because we are visiting a beautiful Qingliangshan park. We normally visit parks on weekends and days that we are free. Stay with us to see the beautiful hydrangeas. Cooling Hill is another name for Qingliangshan Park. Qingliang means cool, Shan means mountain, and Gongyuan means garden. Typically, place names that end in Gongyuan is considered a park in China. It is a park that is situated in Gulou district of Nanjing, China. It is 73 hectares. You can walk around this park for an hour or two. It is not that big, but there are interesting parts where you will have to stop and wonder about the area that will take about the whole afternoon. We went to Qingliangshan in the spring. This is the best time to see the beautiful hydrangeas in bloom. You can see these beautiful flowers from March to May. People go crazy photographing hydrangeas, including myself. In the spring, I especially enjoy searching for all the lovely flowers. The hydrangeas here are not just plants but trees. Hydrangea trees are the ones you see here. Life is complete with beautiful flowers. There are many ginkgo trees in this park. The tree is also known as the maiden tree. The park looks golden in autumn. You can find these trees anywhere in China. The leaf of the ginkgo tree looks like a fan. In the autumn, children enjoy collecting leaves. It is a great place to bring your skipping rope and badminton rackets and have a great time with your friends and kids. My son especially likes to play hide and seek and runs with his friends outside. This simple activity makes us happy and fulfilled in our lives. Children also learn to appreciate nature and its role in our individuality. Oh my, it started to rain at 4. We went under the shed and stopped playing. The children got bored, but don't worry, there is always sunshine after the rain. The children found a small pond filled with fish. The children end the day feeding the fish.